What if, after watching this video and learning the strategy while using your smartphone to perform some easy task, you could earn $40 in less than a minute? Yup, you can make $40 once, $400 10 times, and $4,000 100 times. With these three websites, which I'll be showing you in this video, there are no limits and anything is possible. It is completely free, available everywhere, and pays out the same day. I'm very excited, so let's watch the video immediately. Let's watch the video now. You should watch the entire video because I'll show you 3 different websites where you can earn money online. Now, let me quickly run through some of the possible payment methods before we begin. How can you get your money from your tasks? You can make money via PayPal. You can cash out your money directly into your bank account if you don't have a PayPal account. Most countries in the world are supported. And you can even withdraw money in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. This approach is quite simple. I'll share a secret technique with you so you can easily earn $40 over and over again, while repeating it as often as you like. All you need is a smartphone or computer. It's quite simple. No knowledge or experience is required. This will be the first website that we are going to utilize. You only need to perform a few simple, minor tasks. For example, liking videos, watching movies, doing some simple surveys, visiting particular websites, or sending some simple emails. You can choose any task that you like and make $5 or $10. I'll demonstrate which one is ideal for you to carry out so that you can make a lot of money online while only investing 1 or 2 minutes. The first website is known as PicoWorkers. This website offers basic tasks that you can complete to earn a lot of money. Once you sign up, you can receive a bonus of 75 cents in free money. As soon as you create an account, you can immediately receive some free money, after which you can look for other jobs to work on. I discovered that the simplest way to earn money on this website is by liking and watching videos. If you stay with me to the conclusion of this video, I'll show you a cool little trick that will allow you to swiftly multiply your income so that you can earn even more than other people. I want to demonstrate one further technique, one additional tactic, known as the referral program. You can share this with other people if you have a Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or Tumblr account. You can make commissions for any work that they complete if they sign up and complete it. This will become your second source of passive income as you receive more referrals over time. As they all add up, they will increase. If you prefer not to rely on commissions or referrals, you can always actively complete the task yourself. You can earn $1 to $2 by watching and liking videos. It is so easy that you can do it in just 30 seconds. To get paid by the employer, you must finish the task on this website. You then must provide them with proof to ensure you don't make any mistakes. I'll demonstrate how to do it precisely, because many users submit incorrectly or never at all, which is why they're unable to make any money on this platform. But first, let's look at another website where you can accumulate points, which you can then exchange for real money after you've gathered all of them. 1,000 points are currently worth $1 at the moment I'm shooting this video, and I'll show you a trick for you to rack up 500,000 points in a single day. But before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you loved the video thus far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. Let's go back to the video. So another piece of advice is to simply use Proton VPN if you are from outside the United States. This is a free VPN service that you can download on your computer and smartphone so that you can join when you visit a website like this. You won't be able to sign up because many websites out there block certain countries. Hence, make sure to use Proton VPN. This website is called Earnably. Although this is a legitimate website, if you are from one of the small countries, you must use Proton VPN to register. You can earn money from this particular website simply by watching videos. You only need to click one of these companies to visit their website and watch the entire video without skipping a beat. On a computer or when using a phone, you can leave it running in the background. You are free to engage in other activities while it plays on its own. The best thing is that you can earn even more money if you have extra mobile devices at home, including those of your siblings or parents. You can also combine the two websites, and by doing so, you can quickly and simply make $30. Remember to keep your attention on watching and liking videos. Doing anything else will only waste your time. Additionally, avoid taking surveys because they pay very little. I will now present StreetBees, the third website. This service offers you incredibly easy tasks to complete, and for each text or message you send, you can earn a sizable sum of money. If you have a smartphone, you can sign up, create a free account, and take photos when asked to do so. Taking photos of your food, drinks, and other items, for instance, and then sending your message to which you must respond. Sometimes they want you to include the images when you respond to them. For instance, pictures of your outfit and the breakfast you are having right now. Take pictures of them and send them to StreetBees to get $10. This is pretty easy, and they'll just ask you to snap a few simple pictures of items around you every day, such as coffee, clothes, computers, phones, buildings, and whatever else they ask. Simply take the photos instantly, upload them, and email them to start earning money. On StreetBees, you can profit in this way. You can now get the software from the Google Play Store or the App Store for free. Choose a task, respond to a few questions, and cash will be awarded to you. You'll be taken to the App Store when you click the Join Up button and go to the Google Play Store if you have an Android phone. There, you can find a really good review. You can see that 33,000 reviews and 4-star for yourself. You can download this program and test it out after reviewing some of the examples here. You can quickly make $10 by completing a story, sending a message, and replying to a message every day in 2 to 5 minutes. One thing I want to mention is that you may sign up for their StreetBees Ambassador program. They're still very new, so they urge, get paid to help us expand your country. Both the platform and the company are new. You have a great opportunity to join this company if you're from a different country, because it's trendy. You can join them from anywhere in the world by clicking the Apply Now button. 87 initial countries. Expand them, and you'll be compensated generously for every time you share a story, send some messages, and provide a reply to a simple question. Now, due to its recent development, it has no rivals. Several individuals are unaware of the existence of this website. There's only one thing you need to do to join the StreetBees Ambassador program. Enter your name and email address and click the Apply Now button. And that's it! If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos, and if you like it, please smash the like button. And make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have any further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video.